Mandarin. Bodo. Mandarin is a group of Chinese dialects spoken across most of northern and southwestern China. It includes the Beijing dialect, which forms the basis of Standard Chinese, the official language of China. Originating in North China, Mandarin is sometimes called Northern Chinese. Many Mandarin varieties, like those in the Southwest and Lower Yangtze, are not mutually intelligible with Standard Chinese. Mandarin has 1 billion native speakers, making it the largest Chinese dialect group, spoken by 70% of Chinese speakers across a vast area from Yunnan to Xinjiang and Heilongjiang. Its spread is attributed to easier travel and communication in the North China Plain and its expansion to frontier areas. Bodo or Boro is a Sino-Tibetan language primarily spoken by the Bodo people of Northeast India. It is the official language of the Bodoland territorial region and co-official language of the state of Assam in India. It is also one of the 22 languages listed in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The Bodo language has been written using Devanagari script since 1963. Some scholars believe that at ancient time, Bodo language were written in the Odhai script, which is now lost. It is closely related to the Dimasa language and Tiwa or Lalung language of Assam. It is also related to the Garo language of Meghalaya and the Kokborok language of Tripura. The Bodo-speaking areas of Assam stretch from Dhubri in the west to Sadia in the east. In Alipurduar, Cooch Behar and Jalpaiguri, and other parts of Bengal.
一、
四、
二、
nuôi,
三、
tham,
四、
brui,
五、
ba,
六、
do,
七、
sni,
八、
dain,
九、
gu,
十。
zi.
我们的天父，愿你的名受显扬。
जोंनि रांसाराव थानाय आफा, नोंनि मुङा गोथार जाथों।
愿你的国来临，愿你的旨意奉行在人间，如同在天上。
नोंनि रायजोआ फैथों, नोंनि गोसोआ रांसाराव जेरै बुहुमावबो एरैनो जाथों।
求你今天赏给我们日用的食粮。
जोंनि जानो नांगौखौ दिनै जोंनो हो।
求你宽恕我们的罪过，如同我们宽恕别人一样。
आरो जोंनि गेनाफोरखौ निमाहा हो, जेरै जों जोंनि बेरेखा गेना मावग्राफोरखौ निमाहा होयो।
不要让我们陷于诱惑，但救我们免于凶恶。阿们。
जोंखौ गाज्रि हाबा मावनायनिफ्राय जानहो आरो खैफोदनिफ्राय सग'। आमेन।